Hello everybody, Benga here. Today we shall be looking at strategy. Okay, how do we manage stakeholders? And Mendelow has given us a fantastic way of managing stakeholders. So let's quickly take a look at Mendelow's matrix. At the left hand side, as you can see, is the level of power, that is power displayed by the stakeholder, and at the topmost is their level of interest. So just as I said before, interest of stakeholders could be economic and it could be other. So level of their interest and the level of their power, and whether the level of power or the level of interest, we could divide it into two. It's either is high level interest or low level interest, high level power being displayed or low level power being displayed. So for group A, this is a set of stakeholder that has low level of power around them and also low level of interest. So as a manager in the organization, as a member of the board of directors, we must give them attention, but with minimal effort. We must give them attention, but with minimal effort. Well, let's say we have another set of stakeholders that has high level of interest and low level of power displayed. We must continue to inform them on the runnings of the organization, carry them along, because this group could metamorphose and has more power and go into some other high level group. So let's say we have the C group or set of stakeholders with low level of interest, but they have high power. So we have stakeholder group that has low level of interest with high power. We must ensure we are satisfying them. You know why? Because they can metamorphose to group D too, and these are key players having high interest in the organization and also having high power that they could wage. So we must ensure that they are satisfied, and also we must ensure that we carry them along. In fact, we must give group D maximum attention as stakeholders. Okay, moving on. Thank you for watching. I want to believe you've enjoyed the video. Please like us, subscribe to us, GJAMES. We are value to life, we are value to your business.